How to fix Instagram login security check. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you're getting this login security check while trying to log into your Instagram account, in today's video, let me show you a couple of things that will help to solve this issue or bypass this security check. Now, the first thing that you can do is if you're using the app of Instagram, you can try switching to a browser. So you can go onto a desktop or a laptop, or even use the browser on your phone. Search for instagram.com and then tap on the login option. Through this process, you can type in your credentials, the email address and the password, and you will likely bypass the login security check. And if you want to log in from the app itself, what you can do is you can just hop back from here, tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this settings page, head over to clear data and then tap on clear all data. What this does is removes any kinds of minor glitches, as well as it will log you out of your Instagram account. Once you've now done that, you can open up Instagram again and then try logging in back. Lastly, what you can also try out is try to check or refresh the two-factor authentication code that you receive on the Authenticator app. If you have the Authenticator app logged in, you can just open it up like this and try to refresh it a couple of times so that the login code is now accepted. By doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the login security check inside of Instagram. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.